Hello guys, you use my phone Oppo A74. This version 4GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory in the blue color, midnight blue color. Okay, look complementation. In complementation we have key for SIM slot, documentary and protected back cover. Okay. And we have headphones, USB Type-C cable and adapter for charging in complementation. Okay, not bad complementation. Now talk about device made of plastic, on the back side triple camera and LED, on the front side 6.4-inch display, front camera in the left corner, up left corner, on this side volume keys, this side power key, downside USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Okay, turn on display. AMOLED display, 60 Hz, full HD resolution, 400 ppi. Open Geekbench 5, Color OS version, look version Color OS, this launcher. About phone, Android 11, Color OS 11.1. Open Geekbench 5, CPU Snapdragon 662, GPU Adreno 610, resolution display PPA, CPU 4+4 cores, octa-core, 1.8 and 2 GHz CPU speed. Look results, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Okay. Open demanded game GTA San Andreas, and first look into the benchmark results. Onto the benchmark results, okay. Close this. And look GTA San Andreas. Resume game. Okay, games works good on the max graphic level. Close this, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera.